Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's do a recap of what went right today. What was our discussion? What was our trade plan? What was our entry? What was our SL? So yesterday what we discussed is very simple. If market opens flat and if it goes down, then we'll look for a pullback and start to selling the market. This is what we had discussed. Look how beautifully market turned out today. So market, if I just do the replay for you, market opened slightly gap down. So whenever market opens gap down, what we had always have a rule is the last candle will act as a supply. So this acted as a supply and it went down, right? So what we discussed is once we get a closure, we will see a pullback and then we will start selling. This is what we discussed, right? So then my initial thought process was, since this supply is invalid, what would be the next supply where the market can react from? So eventually this is the supply which the market can react from. So I will delete this. So, or the other chances market can react from the extreme supply. These two are the only supplies which are left out in this particular price action. But if I say you one point very clearly, market came down, market went up, and market came down. So if market has to react, it has to react from this particular supply only to be more efficient market. This supply can be reacted provided there are some good news where there is some big move from the market like this and then react. But that is very rare case given the structure of the market, right? So then my thought process was, if market retraces and comes back here, then I can plan a short position keeping this as my SL and the current swing point of the market of today's low as the target, or even the extended targets if we get closures below this. So then if I just forward you the price action, market was doing some kind of a drama and then finally came and tapped into our supply. The moment this tap happened, I entered put position and I kept this as my SL and this as my target. This itself was 5.83. So allowing the market to play a little bit forward, market was slightly consolidating from this demand, not a demand actually, but from this inducement zone, I could say. And it was just doing some kind of a drama and then it hit our target beautifully. So this is where I had closed my position. The reason why I had closed is, I've always told you, if we don't get a closure below this, it will be treated as a liquidity sweep and there are high chances for market to reverse from this position and try to go up. So this is what is happening currently. I don't care how the market is going to react post this. I had closed my screen. I'm just recording this video so that you don't get trapped in the market thinking that market is falling and market will fall even further. There are high chances market can reverse all the way till the extreme supply even today itself. So let it go. So if you had captured this position watching our analysis, well and good, congratulations for you. If you had not captured this position, stay tuned for tomorrow's analysis as part of today's evening. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next educational video.